Hello, this is Leah from the Chilium Creative. Welcome to my channel. I have a flip through video today. I have been working on this journal for several weeks. It's actually a Christmas gift for my mother-in-law. So I'm recording this before Christmas and then I will post it afterwards, after she opens it, obviously. Don't want to ruin the surprise or anything. So this is made from a hymn book, a Christian hymnal. I did add some little bit of extra decor to the outside cover. I used some crackle paste, which oddly didn't actually end up crackling, but I still like the effect that it gave. I mixed the crackle paste with gold acrylic paint. Kind of an antique-y gold. If you hear my cat in the background, I apologize. He doesn't like it when I keep doors shut. So anyway, so I mixed the paint with the crackle paste beforehand, and then I used a stencil and made this pattern on it. So I did that on the front as well as a little bit on the spine and then on the back as well. And then as a finishing touch, I took some of that same gold paint, mixed it with a little bit of water, and then just kind of rubbed it on the edges and the corners of the cover. Once I did all of that, then I sealed the cover with a collage medium from Ranger. The crackle paste was also from Ranger. And then I added some wide eyelets for a closure and added just a little simple ribbon here. So you take the ribbon off and then we'll get to the inside. So like I said, I used a hymn book, not only for the cover, but I also used some of the original pages within the signatures. And then, obviously added to it, which you'll see as we go through. So just added, I did use a digital kit, which I will link below, from VectoriaDesigns. And I can't remember the exact name of it at the moment. It's one of her Botanical kits. And I'd been eyeing it for a while. I really liked it. So a lot of the pieces throughout the journal are from that. But then I also added my own scrapbooking paper and other things along the way. So I'm just going to kind of flip through, and then as I get to things, interactive things, I'll show how they work. I did add some handwritten scriptures. This is one of the journal pages from that kit. There's some extra little tucks and pockets that I didn't fill. It was starting to get a little chunky anyway, so I figure my mother-in-law can add things to it if she wants to. I used some junk mail envelopes and made little pockets and some belly bands, and then I added some just simple decoration. This is another little pocket that I have not filled. And then this is a flip out. You can add some journaling there. This is a little round journaling card with a little pocket on the back. And I also used labels from another kit. I can't remember the name of the shop, but I'll link it below as well. That I really liked. This is a little paper clip, and I have a few of them scattered throughout the book. This is one of the signature pages from the kit. Added some more scripture. This is just stenciling I did. This is a little pocket and tuck. This is coffee dyed paper. More stenciling. This is a little I'll just use this piece of paper. This is a little tuck with a little extra writing space. Some more tucks. This is a belly band, so you can tuck something behind it, but it's also a pocket. And then I just put made a tall skinny tag here, journaling card, tape tag. And then there's little mini tags that I did some stamping on. And I got this idea, I think it was from Seven Plaza on YouTube. I really liked it, and so I wanted to try it out. And that's from a junk mail envelope as well. Some more decorating. This is a flip out with a little envelope and a journal card inside. Some more tucks, pockets. These I made out of some of the original pages from the book, and then I did some stenciling on it. Some more decorating. This large journal card or tag, whatever you want to call it, is from a card that I actually recently got in a thrift haul. And then I just backed it with coffee dyed paper and did a little stamp on it. And this is chiffon ribbon. Here's another flip out. This is from a book page from a gardening book that I had. Another little envelope with a journaling card. And this is from the kit, the DigiKit also. These are just some decorations, some rub-ons. Here's another belly band with a tall, skinny journaling card. This is scrapbook paper, from a kit that I got at Joann's. I really liked the patterns. I also, on this one, I did some extra stamping behind because there wasn't a pattern on the inside of this envelope. And so I just kind of created my own. Some little mini tags again. Here's another round tag from that same paper with a little pocket on the back. And here's another tuck with a little, an extra writing space. I'm not gonna pull that open. It's the same as the previous one. More coffee dyed paper. This was from a book. Some more stenciling. This is from the DigiKit as well. And this is a little, this is from the DigiKit, but I made it into a little trifold card. Just thought, I don't know why, but the way that they were printed on from the DigiKit, I was like, that would make a really cute little trifold thing. So that's why I did it. I just got an inspiration. Here's another flip out for more journaling. And it has a little pocket on this side. Some more decoration. These are stickers, kind of acrylic stickers, so there's probably a little bit of a reflection, but I liked them. Also, I used cotton a few times in this book, partly because we live in Alabama, and that's a big thing around here, a big crop around, especially in northern Alabama, and my mother-in-law, who I'm giving this journal to, is from Alabama. Grew up in the state and was born and raised here, basically. So, and we live we both live near a lot of farms that grow cotton, and there's actually one right across the street from her that grows cotton. So it's kind of a big part of our culture and our lives here. So I wanted to include that. And some more pockets. Here's another junk mail envelope pocket with another journal card from the kit. Another little mini tag that I stamped on. And then this is just kind of like a little add-in. This was from a gardening book, same gardening book that I used some other pages from. And I made this little trifold kind of notepad. So I added some decoration here. And then this is just a little notepad with a bunch of different kinds of paper in it. So she can write on it or she can pull them out if she wants to. I just kind of made a little top with scrapbooking paper and stapled it together. Here's another little tuck. As you can see, I repeated some of the same stuff throughout the journal. This is just some decoration with some more of those rub-ons. I really like these because they kind of remind me of like pressed flowers. Here's another little pocket with a little tag and another trifold card. Here's a little bit wider version of the pocket that I made previously. Here's another little round journaling card. Sorry if you hear barking. We have a couple dogs as well as a couple cats here, so it's another journal card. More book page. Another pocket with a little journal card. These are from the kit too. And then I just did a little bit of stamping on the edges. Here's another junk mail envelope belly band pocket. Tall, skinny journaling card. I really liked these flowers. They were from a card that I had gotten, like a thank you card or something. And this, I thought it looked really nice on this paper. And this is just a postcard that I had gotten in some mail. Added some coffee dyed paper to the back. And then this, I'm pretty excited about. I have not done something like this before. I was inspired by Margaret at Seven Plaza. This is a flip out. So I decorated here with this, stickers and stuff. And then these are specimen cards from a die set that I have. And I just used the rub-on flowers behind it with a little bit of, hopefully it's not too glary, but with a little bit of acetate for the window part. I don't know. And then added brads and stuff. I was pretty excited about how it turned out. There's another little tuck with a little writing space. And here's another flip out. I really loved this paper, so I used it several times in this book. Hopefully you can see that. It's just some stamping and a spot for journaling. And there's another larger pocket on this side. And then there's another little pocket on the back with another little round journaling card. This one doesn't have a pocket, it's just a journaling spot. And that is the end. So If you've seen previous videos of mine, you'll know that I've done one of these before where I took a hymn book and turned it into a journal. That one was a gift for my mom, and this one is, I tried to make this one a bit different, and this one is a gift for my mother-in-law. So did different colors. I bought the hymn books off of eBay because I wanted this specific hymn book that I know we've used in church before. So anyway, this is just a simple flip through video, kind of for my own records, because I wanted to remember it and remember what I had done in it. But hopefully you enjoyed. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and go check out my other videos. I have a couple other flip throughs on my channel as well. Yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.